Thank you for visiting the National Center for Health and Public Housing website. The National Center for Health and Public Housing provides training and technical assistance to strengthen the capacity of federally funded health centers to increase access to health care, eliminate health disparities, and enhance healthcare delivery for the millions of residents of public and assisted housing. This tutorial will help you to navigate through our interactive maps and find the information you are looking for. You can find the list of interactive maps available on our website by clicking on the Resource Center tab and scrolling down to Interactive Maps. The landing page for the interactive maps provides a list of all of the maps that we have available. Each of our interactive maps display geographic information that health centers can use to find community partners, identify social determinants of health and diabetes data, and it also contains the locations of other HUD-funded and community resources close to your clinical sites. Let's explore the health centers in or immediately accessible to public housing map. The maps contain layers, and layers contain features. Layers are the mechanism used to display geographic data sets in ArcMap, ArcGlobe, and ArcScene. For further information on key terms and terminology used throughout this tutorial, please refer to our tutorial infographic that is also located on our MAPS website. Each layer references a data set and specifies how that data set is portrayed using symbols and text labels. You can access attribute information for feature layers by opening the layer's attribute table, clicking on a feature using the Identify tool. So this is how you view attributes. The layer list includes public housing authorities, healthcare service delivery sites, hospitals, federally qualified health centers, VHA healthcare facilities, and public housing buildings. You may check or uncheck the boxes at the layers list based on what you want the map to display. A map legend conveys the meaning of symbols that represent map features. It is particularly useful when the map has multiple operational or thematic layers. In this map legend, you can see that the size of the Public Housing Authority dot represents the total occupied units. Therefore, a larger dot represents a larger housing authority. You can zoom in and out of the map to see a specific location, or you can type in a specific city, state, or address in the search box. Underneath the search box are other key features. Let's start with the information box. The information box, represented by the letter I, gives basic information and instructions on how to use the map, as well as identifying the data sources. Next, we're going to show you the filter feature, which is represented by a picture of a filter. This helps you look at specific states or layers. Clicking on the map directly will also show you additional information. Clicking on the Public Housing Development dot will show you the name, address, and total occupied units. In conclusion, NCHPH maps are periodically created and updated regularly. Please visit our website to see the most recent list of maps And feel free to contact us if you have questions or need further assistance at the following email: info@nchph.org. Thank you for your participation in this tutorial.